In today's video, I am going to be giving you the best and honestly the most effective video marketing tips for 2020 and beyond that you can use in your business and that are simple to implement. Look, picture this. 1 billion hours of video watched every single day. That's a lot of potential customers. 2 billion active users. 500 hours of video uploaded every single minute around the clock. And this is the big important part that I really want you to understand. YouTube is the #2 search engine on the planet Earth next to Google. And that's exactly why I want you to really focus on what I'm going to show you, because I really believe that these video marketing tips for 2020 and beyond that I'm going to be showing you are easy to implement and can make a big difference in your video marketing. Hey, I'm Richard Cruz, and I am the founder of WSI Priority Media. Look, the purpose of this video and every video that I do is one thing, and that's to help you and to help your business to be able to grow and to continue to thrive. That is what I hope that I accomplished today. And so, look, I'm often asked about different types of video. And, there's video for YouTube, right? There's video for Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and really every channel online. And the mistake that I see so many business owners and marketing directors do is that they try to use video marketing in all the places equally. My advice, don't do that. Pick a lane. Master that one lane. Now, do your research first and decide where you're going to concentrate. Our agency, we specialize in Google Ads and YouTube ads. And so my typical client will often go to YouTube learning about ongoing changes in digital marketing. So my lane for our business is YouTube. Are my clients also on Facebook and Instagram? Yes, they sure are. But we chose YouTube because strategically we see so much value. And I'm going to show you why. I'm going to literally open up the box and I'll show you the same processes that we use that you can use as well too. So now we still take our YouTube videos that we create and we post those from YouTube into Facebook and LinkedIn and Instagram and Reddit and Quora and on my blog every single day. So you don't have to choose. What I am saying is pick a lane, pick a primary channel that you're going to focus your growth on, because if you do that, I promise you, you're going to see incredible results. My concentration, obviously, like I told you, is YouTube. And that's because after generating millions of video views for our clients and measuring results, we have very solid proof of concept and clicks and customers, traffic. We know it works. And so we stick with it. And this video, I am so excited to announce to you, I am personally on day 28 of a 100-day challenge to grow my YouTube channel organically. I'm going to be posting new video every day for 100 days. And along my journey, I'm going to share those results with you. You're going to get to follow along with me. You're going to get to see my before and afters. And I'm excited to share with you on day 100. I'm going to do a big hoorah on that and just walk you through where I started, how my videos evolved, how my strategies evolved, and how the growth has been in the channel. So now, here's the big kicker though. I am also not waiting. We also use the paid platform. This is where I see so many business owners and marketing directors that aren't really jumping in and taking advantage of it. And we use Google Ads to promote our video, and we get it in front of our audiences. And we get tens of thousands of views on specific videos that we want to promote for our top of funnel or for our retargeting. So you can do the same thing, and you can create video on a regular basis. You can build your audience organically, like I am, or you can concentrate, for example, on 2 or 3 good core videos that you create that has your message, it has a really good, strong value. Put those in Google Ads and deliver them to your audience immediately and automatically. We get video views for as low as 1 penny each. And it's amazing how effective it is. YouTube and video marketing is not a crowded space, and so you're able to get very inexpensive traffic. Video is our #1 generator of new business in our own agency. So we don't just talk the talk. We literally walk the walk. So here's how I want you to start doing your video marketing. Step number one is I want you to do keyword research. With keyword research, you can download a Chrome plugin and it's called TubeBuddy. And you use TubeBuddy to search for terms that your ideal customers would be interested in. And as you search, you're going to find videos that have viewing traffic, but not much competition. And so let me show you an example. I'm going to go here to a search for how to find a good dentist. You know, we know that there's people searching for that and they're going to Google and they're going to YouTube for that. But here's TubeBuddy that I use, and TubeBuddy will open up and it'll show me every time I open a video, you know, what the stats are on that. And there's 4 key components right here. Number one is their search volume. And yeah, there's some pretty decent search volume, okay? There's about 7,600 searches per month there. The competition, pretty heavy there, okay? So as you can see, green is good, green is a go, red is a stop. And the overall weighted is fair. You have about a 28 out of 100 chance to be able to rank on that. So now what you do is you start digging through their tags right here, and it shows you what tags they're using. As I went through tags, I was able to find another term, good dentist versus bad dentist. On this one here, it has pretty decent search volume. The competition is really low, and I've got an 83 out of 100. Now, you can record the same topic, how to find a good dentist versus bad dentist. It's the same video that you can do. But if you use this keyword right here, your chances of ranking that organically are much higher. And so where I want you to use it is in 3 places. You want to use it in your title, you want to use it in your description, and then you want to use it in your tags. And that's the secret to being able to create and rank videos, is using this tool to be able to find low competition keywords. You can use the slower organic approach for long-term results, for videos that will stay online for years and be found, and they will continue to grow. But you don't just want to be limited to that. You want to have a slow, methodical approach, and you want to have something that brings you immediate results. And so what you do, in addition to doing the organic, you go after the biggest sought after terms that people are looking for. Like, let me give you an example. Let's say personal injury attorney, right? $400 average cost per click. And so if I was going to create a video going after the keyword personal injury attorney, look at this. Super high volume, 640,000 searches, way too high competition, very poor chance of that video ever being seen anywhere on YouTube. Not a good choice to do organically, but I could take this video and I can go into Google Ads, or you can go into Google Ads. You go in and you can create a campaign, and you don't need a big budget. I mean, you can literally do this for a very, very small, affordable budget. Because remember, you can get views for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cents a view. Very, very affordable. And so what you do is you have a couple of different options. You can go after demographics, for example, people in certain age groups, and then certain audiences, where audiences, you have people in what their habits are, what they're actively searching for, planning, you know, how they interacted with your business, who they are. So you have all of these targeting tools where you can build an audience. Or what you can do is you can go by keywords and people that are searching for specific keywords. So you can say personal injury attorney near me, and you take your keywords. But you don't want to do both at the same time. You want to build this into one audience, or you want to go after keywords, or you can use 2 different ad groups and you can run them side by side and see which one does better for you. And so let's say, for example, we want to take this video right here and we want to run this one as an ad. We're inside of the ads manager. And so what I'll do is, once I set up my budget, I set up my keywords or my targeting, then I just put in the video itself. And as you can see, it's already creating the video for me. And I'll just put in the URL, and let's say it's jacobyandmyers.com. They're not paying me for this, by the way. And then it shows that. Then the call to action, what do I want it to see? See this button right here? So I'll just say something like, you know, call now. And it puts it all in caps. And then I can put a headline like free consultation. And I probably want to put this in. and you can only use 15 characters, and free consultation is 17. So we can maybe say something like this, like free consult, call now. And you can run these guys right here. That's simple to get going and to start running, and you're instantly driving traffic, building your brand, getting views. But when you create these right here, you can go commercial style. You can focus on how-tos. What's your message? How do you want to be able to get that out there? Beautiful, powerful way to do it. So 2 different ways. You're organic, you're paid, you get your slow and methodical that builds online real estate, and you got your fast that generates leads right away. The combination is honestly the most beautiful way to be able to build your video marketing strategy. And that's how you promote your videos instantly for a small budget. You get hundreds of thousands of views on your video in a short period of time. It's not hard to do. Give this a try. Let me know how it goes. I'd love to hear from you. You can reach me at wsiprioritymedia.net, and this video is a wrap. Let me know how your video marketing goes, and if you got any questions or need some additional tips, reach me anytime or leave me a comment below. And if you found this video helpful, do me a favor, like it, share it, and subscribe to be alerted of future trainings. I look forward to being with you again on the next one.